Hi everyone, here we are doing a walkthrough on the Hidden Gems app, and we were driving through this neighborhood and we saw this property here that meets quite a few of the criteria. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how the app works, and we'll do a little walkthrough. First thing I'm going to do is open the app and then hit tag a house. Here you can see, and the first thing it's going to do is try to find the house that we're at. And 13221 is what it's showing, and I think that's the right address. So I'm going to go ahead and hit next. And question number one, here we are on the questions, is there a realtor sign in the yard? And presence of a real estate sign automatically disqualifies the property. So we're going to hit no, there's no realtor sign. And again, that disqualifies the property automatically. Is there a for sale by owner sign in the yard? If yes, please include the phone number in the notes. No for sale by owner sign, so we're going to go ahead and hit no here again. Is the grass garden overgrown? Look for weeds 6 inches or higher, shrubs growing over the windows, grass growing in the cracks of the driveway, and lack of edging. So there's grass growing in the driveway here. It's middle of summer, so the grass isn't really growing at all, but you can kind of see it's a little overgrown. I'm going to go ahead and hit yes on this. And I want everybody to remember that when you click yes on a question, you need to take a picture to make claim to that, so that we know, so that we can see the evidence that you're putting forth, so that we can pay you for it. Question number 4, is the roof damaged? Look for missing shingles, discoloration, shingles that don't match. This roof looks pretty bad. It's pretty rough. I'm going to go ahead and hit yes on this one. And again, anytime we hit yes, we need to take pictures when we get to the picture section to show proof of what you made claim to. Are the windows blinds covering missing or damaged? I can see the blinds, they're semi-opened. I guess I wouldn't say damaged, so I'm going to say no. There's also a don't know answer if you guys aren't real sure about something. Are any of the windows broken or boarded up? Definitely not broken or boarded up, so no. Are there papers taped to the doors or windows? From this angle, I don't see any papers. I'm going to go no. Are the newspapers piled up around the front door? Usually 5+ papers are a sign that no one has been at the property for a while. This property actually appears to be occupied, although it's very run down, especially compared to the other houses in the neighborhood. So I'm going to hit no on newspapers. Is the mailbox overflowing? I don't see the mailbox, so I'm going to click don't know. Is there electric or gas meter missing? Again, I can't see it, so don't know. Are there obvious signs of neglect of the property? Look for peeling paint, cracked bricks, fence falling, mold, or missing siding. This meets all of those criteria, so definite yes on that one. Does the property appear to be vacant? And again, I said that earlier, it appears to be occupied, so I'm going to click no, or don't know would be fine there too. The next step is I need to start taking pictures. So the things I said yes to were the grass in the driveway and looking like it's not well kept. Okay, so when we're in the pictures, we hit plus, hit camera, and we can take pictures. So we want to make sure we take pictures of the paint and the roof. Everything that we click yes to, we want to have pictures of. I'm going to do one more and get a picture of the overall property. Okay. And then in the notes, I'm going to write some notes. Looks very neglected. And that's it, guys. We hit submit, and we should, here in just a minute, get a thank you. And as soon as this is approved, I'll get paid for this house. Thank you. Thank you for submitting the house. Done. And I can see my, again, back to tag a house, or I can see my history to see what properties I've already tagged.